of Allah, the Rahman, the Rahim. Today is my lecture about how can avoid children from misuse of money. Before starting lecture, I understand you what is misuse of money. What is mean by misuse of money? When we are talking about misuse of money, so question arises in our mind that what's mean by misuse of money. The spending of money on buying useless thing is known as misuse of money, such as most children use their pocket money to buy CDs, DVDs, etc. Can avoid children from misuse of money. According to Islamic teaching, the world is not permanent place to live. Therefore, we should buy those things that we need to spend this mortal life. We should wear that, eat that, and travel by that which we can afford. The people can be avoided from misuse of money when they are under 10 age. Therefore, it's the responsibility of parents to forbid their kind from misuse of money. They can aware children about using money particularly and make them responsible.